So, have you ever wanted to charge, say, wireless earbuds with a solar cell and have it look this discreet? Check out Epishine. Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange at Embedded World 2024. I'm here with Marija from Epishine, and as you can see, she is holding some solar cells and some reference designs. So, Marija, can you talk us through what makes Epishine's photovoltaic cells so unique?
Well, we have solar cell that is used in the roll-to-roll process, so it's very easy to produce. We have all different kinds of solar cells. We have this 6-cell, which is our main module, but we can do 4-cell, 6-cell, 8-cell, and also 1-cell. So there's different types, and it's just really good cell. If you want to have the current or the power output from it, for example, this cell has a current output of 150 microamps in 500 lux.
Cool. So I can see that there's a reference design here. Is this in conjunction with it is in conjunction with RAKwireless. Cool. So can you explain a bit more about this, because RAKwireless are good friends of ours?
Yeah, RAK has an open source asset tracker. So we thought that was nice. Let's try to exchange that battery for our system. So instead of the 600 milliamp hour battery, we have chosen to have our cell, some circuitry, and another storage device, 20 milliamp hours, a smaller battery. When you exchange that, instead of having this 1 year longevity of the product, you can, well, depending on the light, you can have it used forever. So 500 lux, 10 hours a day will make it use. That's the kind of breakpoint for use it forever. But without degrading.
So just to put into context how bright 500 lux is, what would you say is typically 500 lux?
Office area, for example, here we have it too low. This is 300 lux, something like that. So a little bit brighter than here.
So in terms of the reference design, can you just talk us a little bit through how you've added the PV cell in contrast to having the battery?
Yeah, sure. We have a few reference designs actually that we use. So this is an LTO battery, a lithium titan oxide battery. So this works, but I think it's 2.7 volts on this one. So this means we have a circuitry that kind of it has an over voltage protection and under voltage protection, so that it turns on and off depending on. So it's not too high and not too low, depending on output. And it was hard to explain that, and I thought. But so that's all this electronics really does. So it just takes our cell, makes sure that it doesn't have too much for the capacitor and not too low. So it's just a switch, has 2 switches now. And that's it. So yeah, that's about it. So instead of battery, we have the output from that circuit to the what would have been the battery output, and well, yeah, that's how we done it.
Cool. So I see these are very flexible for one. What applications does that make Epishine's solar cells really useful for?
Well, yeah, that's why we like this asset tracking thing, because we can actually, this is a bit bent, maybe it's a more paper-like feeling, so that's why we thought it could be fun to try that. But any applications that needs some sort of bending, I'm just going to show you another product, if I may. Wait a minute. This is one of our concept designs. So you can see here is the cell. You can see that you can integrate in a different way when you can bend it.
Yes. That's very discreet. Like you wouldn't think that's a solar cell just.
No, that's one of our nicest conceptual demos. Yeah. So so this is one of the features. When you bend it, you can do different types of design with it. Really. Yeah.
Cool. I don't know if this is true or not, but have you guys put this to use in TV remote controls yet? Because that would be perfect.
TV remote controls, yes. We will actually have yes, and we actually have we will soon come up with something with 4 mods that will be in the TV remote control area. So yes, we want to be in the remote control area, definitely.
Cool. Just if there were any engineers out there who have seen this, seen how flexible it is, how nicely integrates, what would be the best way to, what would be kind of the design journey that they would go through with Epishine? Would they start with a sample, or is it something more involved?
First, you can buy our evaluation board in Farnell, so you can try that if you want to, but otherwise contact us, contact me, contact us, and we can help you find ways my job is to help you, make it easy to integrate our cell in your design. So that's my job. So come to me.
Cool. Tell us a bit more about the evaluation board.
Well, I don't have much info about it right now. Talk to me about it, and I can send you more like a data sheet and stuff like that, so we can get it going.
That's a perfectly fine answer, because just wondering, how long has Epishine been around?
Ooh, how long was it? Is it in 2016, I think it was?
Okay.
So not that far. It started at the university, research about organic cells and about flexible electronics, and it was like became this. So it's very like, and it's in Linköping where we started. There are 50 persons that do everything, all the production, everything is there. So it's still very small. We know everybody knows everybody.
Cool.
So it's nice.
Cool. Well, clearly, if you want a flexible PV cell that has a pretty good output at 500 lux, then check out Epishine, and yeah, you could make a product work on harvested energy and make it look really, really nice and like smooth.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?